You ever look at a sniper rifle and think, yeah, that thing means business? That's exactly the kind of vibe the IWI DAN gives off. It's not flashy. It's not trying to be the next viral gear drop. It's just precision engineering, built from the ground up for the kind of professionals who don't get second chances. Born in Israel, tested by special forces, and now getting serious attention on the international stage. The IWI DAN isn't just another 338 Lapua bolt gun, it's a full-package sniper platform that's sleek, modern, and brutally effective. But is it all looks and legend? Or does it earn its place next to the heavy hitters like Accuracy International, Sako, and Barrett? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. From specs and build quality to real-world performance and where it sits in the market. This is your deep dive into one of the most quietly capable sniper systems out there. Let's take a closer look at the IWI DAN. Let's start with what you feel first, the build. The IWI DAN is a bolt-action precision rifle chambered in 338 Lapua Magnum, and right out of the box, it feels like it was built for hard use. The chassis is fully monolithic, CNC machined from a single block of aluminum, which gives it rigidity, consistency, and a rock-solid feel. No flex, no rattles, no shortcuts. This thing's built like a tank, but refined like a scalpel. Weight comes in around 6.9 kilograms without optics, which puts it in the same weight class as other elite long-range systems. But with better balance than most, the 28-inch cold hammer forged barrel is free-floating and fluted for weight reduction and heat dissipation. And it's threaded for suppressor or brake use right from the jump. Now ergonomics. This is where the DAN surprises people. You've got a fully adjustable folding stock that locks up tight and feels rock solid when extended. Cheek height, length of pull, and butt pad position are all customizable without tools. Even the pistol grip comes in swappable sizes. That modularity is crucial for adapting to body armor, prone shooting, or unconventional positions. Controls are clean and intuitive. The safety selector is ambidextrous, bolt throw is short and smooth, and the magazine release is smartly positioned for fast changes. It feeds from a 10-round detachable box mag, which is plenty for precision work. Trigger? Crisp, clean, and breaks around 3 to 4 pounds. It's not a hair trigger, and that's a good thing. It gives you predictability without being too sensitive under stress. For those long-range engagements where one shot matters, it hits the sweet spot between control and responsiveness. Now let's talk range performance. The DAN delivers Sub-MOA accuracy consistently, especially with match-grade ammo. But it's not just about tight groups. What impressed me most is how the rifle behaves shot after shot. The recoil impulse is linear, the follow-up sight picture settles quickly, and the weight helps manage that powerful 338 Lapua punch without overdoing it. Whether you're dialing in at 800 meters or reaching past 1500, the DAN holds its own. It's stable, predictable, and easy to get comfortable with fast. That said, this isn't your ultra-light mountain rifle. It's meant for overwatch, anti-material rolls, and long-duration engagements where stability and precision are everything. In that role, it delivers. Where some rifles need a dozen tweaks out of the box, the DAN feels ready the moment it hits the bench. And in the hands of trained shooters, it performs like something far more expensive. Speaking of price, let's talk value. The IWI DAN usually lands in the ballpark of $9,000 to $10,000, depending on configuration and export region. That puts it below some high-end competitors like the AIAXMC or Sako, TRG, men, but in terms of performance, it's right there with them for a system that's been fielded by elite units and designed with combat feedback. That price makes sense. It's not budget, but it's also not overpriced for what you get. So where does the IWI DAN stand in the crowded world of precision rifles? It's not the loudest. It's not trying to win tactical beauty contests. But what it brings to the table is serious, battlefield-grade durability, sub-MOA precision, elite-level ergonomics, and the kind of modularity that makes it adaptable to real-world operations. It's a rifle built for professionals, but forgiving enough for serious civilian marksmen who want a ready-to-go, long-range platform without the endless aftermarket headache. Sure, it's not as customizable out of the box as some modular chassis rifles, and yeah, you'll want to invest in quality glass to really unlock its potential. But in terms of out-of-the-box performance, it punches well above its weight both literally and figuratively. If you're looking for something that blends combat realism with match-level accuracy, the IWI DAN deserves a spot on your shortlist. Now we want to hear from you. Are you running an IWI DAN or something in the same class? Thinking about making the jump to 338 Lapua? Drop your thoughts, questions, or setups down in the comments. We're always here to dig deeper. And if you want a hands-on breakdown of how this rifle stacks up side by side with something like the TRG pen or the Barrett MRAD, let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Scoper 360D for more in-depth gear reviews, precision rifle breakdowns, and real-world shooting insights. Until next time, shoot straight, think long range, and keep your scope clear.